Now, let's move on to how to access the first problems. We're going to start with practice problem packet 1. This one goes to a website called Code Forces. To go there, you're just going to have to press on practice packet 1. If you see the link, press the link. And once you're here, if you already have an account, press enter. If not, press register. And then you're going to have to put in your handle. For this VLC23 email, you just have to put in your email and such. Personally, I'm going to use my real one. Once you have made an account, please log back in. And to access these problems, what you're going to have to do is, if you see here, it says register. Please press register. No, before you press register, actually, because if you do press register, you're going to see that you're not allowed. You're going to have to join as a member. Membership type, just leave as participant and press join. And then you can now register, and you can register either as an individual participant or as a team member. Just leave as is and press register. And now you can actually access the problems. And to see the problems, just press on the name and you can see it. I'm actually going to do this problem just to show you how to do it. And to submit code, you're going to have to choose the problem, A plus B, and just choose which language. The language is going to be Python 3.8.10. And then you're going to write your code here, which is going to be like this. And if you press submit, you're going to see a status. And you're going to have to wait. And it's going to either tell you accepted or there's an error. And if there's an error, to check it, just press on it. And what other thing you can do is you can choose a problem and you can choose a file. And if you just press open, it should open, and then you can submit that one as well. And it should work as such. So that's how you access the Code Forces problems. Yeah.